Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've come out, I brought Betsy over here this morning. We're over Habberley Valley and I was amazed just how green everything is in here now. It looks absolutely amazing. It is just one colour, green. So I've sat at home just, we've got thunderstorms forecast. We have had a couple just a little bit earlier. I've got the brolly just in case we do get a big downpour. There are some heavy showers about, but I'm joining me at the top of the valley and let's see what we can photograph with these beautiful greens. Can't wait. So today is going to be about all this beautiful green. There are some lovely little trees here as well. Just turn you around here. Just look at the shape of that. Absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. I am going to try and get a couple of literally just woodland scenes. That's all I want, just a couple of photographs today. It is just a short walk with Betsy, so we'll go and see what we can find. I can see another pointer up in the distance, a black and white one. So no doubt Betsy's going to shoot off in a minute, have a play. So join me at the first composition. Just look at that for green, everything. This morning, when I come up here this morning, I just noticed straight away all this area up here. This is roughly just where I want to come to get a couple of photographs in here. And it is just so green, I've just got to come and get it. It looks beautiful. I'm just going to line up a little shot with these couple of trees and the path running through. It does look beautiful. I've photographed this before, you probably will see this on different videos. It's such a beautiful little scene. I've just set the camera up now and took a quick shot, literally from here, but I think I've got a bit too much in the foreground, so I might just move forward and just fine tune this little scene and yeah, maybe just draw the trees in a bit closer so I've got a little less foreground. So I'll just have a little play and I'll show you the back of the camera. So for this shot I've just moved forward a little bit just to try and bring these trees a little bit forward towards your eye, and then you can just lead you through into the path. The path is coming off a diagonal line, which I like, and I love the colour and texture in these silver bursts. They look fantastic, they do. I'm going to focus literally just on the tree there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to punch in 100% just to make sure I have got good focus there, which I have. 2-second timer is on. ISO 100. I'm 2/3 of a stop underexposed. It is quite bright here, especially in the distance. It's really bright, so I'm just darkening the scene down a bit. F11, 13th of a second. 2 seconds later, I'll put the shot on for you right now. Can't get over just how green it all is. Just one colour now. It is just one colour. Absolutely stunning. There is a little bit of yellow just in a few of the oak trees now, just coming through. But apart from that, it just looks amazing in here. I'm going to line the shot up now. I've just found this little root, and I'm going to use this right underneath the lens as a foreground, and then focus on the clump over there, then on the tree just past where Betsy is, and I'll do a 3-shot focus stack with this. It looks amazing. I'm going to get Betsy out of the shot. I may put her back in a bit and take another shot with her, just in the middle of the frame. It looks lovely. Actually, while it's there, I'll take a quick photo, then I'll talk you through the back of the camera. So for this shot, as you can see, we've got this beautiful little root just in the bottom of the frame, right under the lens. I'm going to focus literally just there, then again there, and then on the grass over there. And what I'm loving the orange in the path and the bright green of everything else. I just love it. It's just so nice. I haven't seen these greens for quite a while now, and they do look incredible. Another beautiful little scene. Absolutely just love it. I do love the colour and the texture in some of these, the silver birch, the oak trees. Beautiful bits of orange on the silver birch, and they look fantastic, they do. And again, it is just about, I think, the green. It looks fantastic. I am out just walking Betsy, so we come here this morning, and I did know everything was soaking wet this morning because we got drenched again, and it looked fantastic. And I just thought, the way the colours are, I've got to come back out this afternoon, and yeah, here I am back over with Betsy, and absolutely loving this is peaceful, quiet walk. I've seen one person, and yeah, all I can hear are birds, and it's just me and Betsy, no one else here. Absolutely amazing. So yep, I'm going to line up a shot here, and I will talk you through the back of the camera as to what I'm doing. I do love this little bench. It looks odd against the trees, but I think I'll put it in anyway. I may even put a photo of Betsy there. I may line Betsy up in the photograph there. Or I may put her on the bench. She loves jumping up on top of things, so she will pose on top of the bench quite easily for me. But yeah, I'll have a little look around and see if I can line something up here. I'll talk you through the camera. So, as you can see, another beautiful little scene. As the sun comes out, all the shade here just goes black. So I'm going to wait just for it to cloud over a bit, just to bring the detail back in all this. Like now, you can't see the bench hardly. It is just putting everything into shade. So it looks beautiful though. I'm going to focus literally just there. As you can see now, the scene's brightening up just because there's a cloud coming over. The light is softer, and we now have the image again. So I'll take the shot quick, and I'll put this on for you right now. So, as I was saying about Betsy jumping up on things and just standing there, she loves being up high, and she will jump up on anything and just have a good look round. I'll just talk to you for a second. Oh, it actually said something, has it? Betsy. She won't listen to you. She's fixed on something. She's probably seen a little bird fly into a bush, and that's what she's fixing on now. So any second now, she probably will just bolt off. And then it goes. Or imagine a little bird just flew into the bush there, and that's what she's seen. She will just pose all day long for me. Brilliant. If you're interested in gear that I use, the Canon 5D Mark IV, the lenses that I use and stuff, there's links in the description below. Please check them out. There's also a link to my sister and brother-in-law's guest house on the Isle of Mull. I keep plugging it. It's my sister, so why not? Drop me a comment if you like this green as much as what I do. Just drop me a comment below. Tell me your thoughts on this time of year and this green. Just look at that. It's absolutely incredible. It's so vibrant today. I don't know if it's because it's wet and it looks absolutely beautiful, it does. I'm going to put the photographs on now for you. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe, we'll do it all again next week. And until next time, take it easy.